The Easy Balcony Solar Mounting Bracket is a versatile and efficient solution for mounting solar panels on balconies without the need for drilling or making holes in the surface. Designed for residential use, particularly for apartments and homes with limited space. This mounting bracket provides a quick, hassle-free installation that requires no specialized tools. Made from high-quality, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, the system is built to withstand various weather conditions, offering long-lasting performance and durability. Its simple, compact design allows homeowners to harness solar energy on their balconies, effectively utilizing small spaces for clean, renewable power generation. The Easy Balcony Solar Mounting Bracket ensures stability and optimal solar panel positioning, maximizing energy capture. Durable balcony solar mount kitchook is made of SUS 304 material. It can friendly attachment to balcony railings. Pre-assembled adjustable brackets and rails. The rails are then mounted to the guardrail fixing and become adjustable angle support at the bottom of the assembly. Connectors connect the adjustable bracket to the module. And then the basic balcony solar racking is basically complete.